வணக்கம். நான் பார்த்தேன் சமைத்த Nannapurni. Today also only my son is going to present some recipes for you. The names of the dishes as well as the process, everything will be explained by him. Over to my son.
Hi, today we will make a classic English recipe called the jacket potato, and as accompaniments to that we will have two very different side dishes. One is a traditional Indian dish called ulli chamandi from Kerala, and another Mexican dish called chili con carne. So to start this, take slightly bigger potatoes and wash them cleanly. Let them be with their skin. So first you start by putting some holes and cuts into the potatoes. Then we will apply some olive oil and salt on top of these potatoes and put it in a convection oven to cook for about 1.5 hours. So after about 30 minutes you flip the potatoes upside down and then continue cooking. So the total cooking time for this will be 1.5 hours. So ensure that why we have to put holes with the fork and knives is to ensure that the potatoes do not burst when they are cooking. So you'll need to put the holes and on either side of the potatoes. So I have scored the potatoes and also put some holes with a fork. Now let us apply some olive oil on top of these potatoes. So apply olive oil generously, and also we need to put some salt on top of these. So for this I am using some rock salt. They also call it kosher salt. And once we have prepared all the potatoes like this on both the sides, we will put them into the convection oven. I am using the microwave oven itself. We have used it in the convection mode, and I have preheated it for 220 degrees. The higher the temperature, the better it is, because it will allow the skins to crisp nicely. Ideally, even if you can go up to 300 degrees, it is better. But my convection oven goes only up to 220, so I have preheated it up to 220. So I'll show you again when we put these into the oven. Here are the ingredients for the chili con carne and the ulli chamandi. So first we'll look at the ingredients for the chili con carne. We have tomatoes which we have boiled and in water. Then we have soaked two different types of red chilies in warm water. We have onions, green capsicum, tomatoes, and the main ingredient for the chili con carne is soya flakes. It is very similar to the soya chunks which we get, but it is broken down. You get this directly itself, or you can get the soya chunks and break it down. Here we have the ingredients for the ulli chamandi. We have taken coarsely cut onions and green chilies, red chilies, a little bit of tamarind, and pan fried them, fried them in with a little bit of oil. And now we will just grind it into a slightly grainy paste, and that will be the onion chutney or the ulli chamandi. Let's start making the chili con carne now. For this we will take some oil. So let's take some olive oil. Let the oil heat up a bit. So now that the oil has heated up, we'll put the onion. Saute the onions till they become golden brown. We'll add some capsicums as well. Today I've got green capsicums. The onions have turned golden brown. Add some ginger garlic paste as well. For the chili con carne, we will use both diced tomatoes as well as the tomatoes which have been ground into a puree. So now we'll add the diced tomatoes. Today I am using choya chunks for the chili con carne. You could also use your any other vegetable if you don't like soya. We soaked the soya chunks in a little bit of warm water, and now we will mix it with the tomatoes and capsicum. Just stir it around and then add the tomato and chili puree and cook it for a few minutes. So we have added all the tomato puree and also added some more water, and now let it simmer for a while. This is the right time to check the salt level, so I tasted and I added a bit more salt. So let it simmer so that the soya chunks is properly cooked, and then it won't take much time. It probably should be done in about 5 minutes. So now the jacket potatoes are baked and good to go. So I just sliced it across and inserted a couple of slices of my favorite cheese. You could also put some butter if you like it, and we'll just put it back in the oven for a few minutes for the cheese to melt down, and enjoy the jacket potatoes with our chili con carne and the ulli chamandi. So here we have the plating. We have all the baked potatoes here, the final baked potato ready for serving with the molten cheese. We have the chili con carne. We got the chili con carne a little bit more thick. You could make it a little bit more watery or liquidy if you want it. And we also have the ulli chamandi. This is going to be a true east versus meets west dish. I hope you enjoy it.